Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. For those of you enjoying the holidays, I wish you all happy holidays. For myself and my family, we are staying right here in the homestead. Certain people said they know we always travel and go to our church between the Christmas and the 1st, and that we go away during this period, and they said they're coming for us. And after 6 years of pattern, we know they do, they stand behind what their words. They always come to our land and destroy things when I'm gone. Therefore, we are not going away. We're going to stay right here and have a warm family Christmas in our house and keep the wood fire going. We'll have a nice, beautiful, the three of us, a beautiful time here. And if we need to, we will defend our land, and I will defend my family and protect us. And just to prove that this is not for monetization, I'm going to demonetize this video, and therefore that nobody can say a thing about this is some publicity stunt. I'm also keeping this video short and to the point, so there can be no ads on it. And this is about protecting our land. We are not going away. We are right here. And here's the New York Times with today's date, December 24th, 2018. And that's it, guys. Just so you know, we'll be here, and if you guys had planned on coming for us, we're ready. We're waiting. Alright, talk to you all later. Have a happy holiday with your family and everyone, and a happy new year. And, we'll make the best of it here in our little home. Talk to you later.